What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Nate Barnes here at the Forex University, and in this video you're gonna learn how to win the FTMO challenge, the 100K one, in less than 10 days. All right, so smash that like button and let's get started. What's going on, traders? Let's get right into it. All right, so FTMO, the $100,000 trading challenge. Okay, if you win the challenge, you get funded $100,000 and you're going to be trading FTMO's capital, and you're going to get 70% of the profits month over month if you stay consistent. Okay, but before you get that money, you have a challenge to win. Okay, and so right here you're going to see the objective, right? You can select whatever currency, keep your risk at normal, and then you can click on 50, 25, 10, or 100,000. So obviously we're talking about the $100,000 challenge. And then here are the parameters, okay? So you have 30 days to actually win this challenge, okay? And they have parameters for you, right? Maximum daily loss, 5,000. Maximum loss, 10,000. If you lose 10,000, you're out of the challenge. If you lose more than $5,000 in one day, you're out of the challenge. And then you actually have to be in the challenge for at least 10 days to go to step 2. Step 2, they call it the verification. All right, so you have 60 days, right? So you get another account of $100,000, so you pretty much start over, and you have 60 days to profit target $5,000, right? So you're doing half and double the amount of time, right? And that one's free, right? So you're not going to get charged again because you're going along this process. And once you pass that, you're actually going to get an email saying congratulations and whatnot, and then you're going to actually go and get funded that $100,000. Okay, so let me just show you my account. I just started another one just to kind of just show you how simple it is and what the dashboard is going to actually feed to you. So right here you're going to see the equity. Right now if I scroll down or scroll up, you're going to see that I am in day 2. Okay, and my max daily loss was around $599. And then my max loss is $599. My profit target is around $3,300. Okay, so right now my portfolio is around 3%. So I only have 7 more percent to go to get to that 10,000. And then essentially I would go to step 2, which is I would start over with $100,000, and then I would just need to get $5,000 in less than 60 days, 60. Okay, so FTMO is great. I think they set a realistic game plan for you to actually trade like a practical professional Forex trader, because it's really about risk management. At the end of the day, right? I'm just going to show you that it's connected to my FX book as well, and here are the trades that I actually took. So here's my summary. I took about 3 trades, and I'm in 2 right now on a short, and you can tell that once you actually start trading bigger capital, you don't want to risk more than 1 to 2%. Okay, so if anyone out there that needs a strategy to actually win this challenge, right, and you're just super passionate about winning this challenge, and you want to start trading more capital, I do have a strategy in place that's actually helping me win in the real world, and then it's also helping me with FTMO. So, I'll have the link below so you can actually access my free course. And if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help. The Forex world is a very small niche, and I just want everyone to be able to get this kind of funding, because once you start trading bigger capital, everything is a lot easier, because everything is scalable, right? If you have a great strategy but you're only making $50 every 2-3 days, then it's really not that rewarding. But those rewards feel a lot better when you have more capital in your account. So again, FTMO, you would go to a client area. For you guys, it would be sign up, and then you have a free trial or start challenge. You would essentially start the challenge. You would select your currency, the risk mode, keep it at normal, and then don't forget to click over to 100,000. Okay, and then you would type in all your information. Okay, and then once you type in your information, you would click all these agreements. It's pretty much like a subcontractor agreement once you pass the test, and then you would essentially go ahead and proceed. Once you proceed, you have three types of payment options. You click on I did pay you, and it's going to redirect you to a payment. You put in your card number, all that good stuff, and then once you pay, it might decline because it's going to say like unusual activity because the company's not in the United States. But all you got to do is like unblock that or talk to your bank that, hey, like I am transacting $633.96, and once they unblock it, it'll take about 5 minutes for it to unblock, and then you just go ahead and transact. And then once that happens, you're gonna get an email, and it's just gonna say, hey, congratulations, you're gonna get your your demo account number with your login. You hook that up to MetaTrader or CTrader, and then you're off to the races. So guys, really simple. You go to ftmo.com, you click on start challenge, put on all your information, you pay them, and then boom, you get your $100,000 demo account. And then if you gain 10%, right, $10,000 in less than 30 days within these parameters, you go to step two. After step two, you get 5,000. You win $5,000, and then that's when they email you and say, hey, congratulations, we're going to fund you $100,000 of capital to trade on behalf of FTMO as AUM, right? Assets under management. So hopefully this video helped out. Nate Barnes, Forex University.